Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bone marrow butter with an easy method. First, select high-quality beef marrow bones, ideally 2 to 3 inches in length. Next, you will roast these bones in your oven. Preheat your oven to between 400 and 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bones on a baking sheet and roast them for about 15 to 25 minutes. The marrow is ready when it appears bubbly, soft, and can be easily scooped out. Once your bones are roasted, let them cool for a few minutes so they are easier to handle. Then, carefully scoop out the warm, soft marrow from inside the bones and place it into a mixing bowl. For the butter, ensure it is unsalted and at room temperature. This makes it much easier to combine. A good starting point for the ratio is 1 part marrow to 1 or 2 parts softened butter, depending on your preference. Now it is time to bring everything together. Add the warm, scooped marrow to your softened, unsalted butter. Using a fork or a spatula, mash them together thoroughly. You can aim for a smooth consistency or leave it a little chunky, as you prefer. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, feel free to incorporate fresh herbs such as finely chopped parsley, thyme, or chives. To finish, transfer your bone marrow butter mixture into a small ramekin or roll it into a log using parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow it to firm up. Once chilled, this rich and savory butter is perfect for spreading on warm, crusty bread, melting over a grilled steak, or enhancing roasted vegetables. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.